Hello! Welcome to Hands-On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. My name is Heather Placco, and today we will be making bubble prints. To make bubble prints, you're going to need a couple of items. A straw, some paper that's a little bit thicker than normal paper, small shallow containers, dish soap, water, and a nice tray to hold things in case it spills over a little bit. You'll also need an assortment of colors of food coloring. So to get started, I'm going to pick my 3 colors that I want to use for my bubble prints. So I'll start with green, and yellow, and purple. And start off with just a dash of dish soap in each. And go ahead and pour a little bit of water into each one. Now this is the fun part. Take your straw, and if you have a plastic straw and a small child is doing this, try poking a hole with a thumbtack through the end that's closer to their mouth, and this will keep it from coming up into their mouth if they accidentally inhale. So be very careful with smaller children when doing this activity, because if they accidentally suck up into the straw, they could get some soap in their mouths, unfortunately. So this part gets a little bit messier. I'm going to start with yellow. That way, in case I transfer colors, it won't bleed through. So you want to get a nice dome of bubbles. So this is the fun part. Go ahead and take your piece of paper and set it on top. And you can keep going. Thanks so much for joining us for Hands-On at Home Bubble Prints. Special thank you to our members and our Visionary Society members for making educational programs just like this happen every day. We'll see you next time.